rising from the cup of jasmine tea. The porch boards turning dark and slick. I watch the water bead on the glavy, like the scent of incense in the hall. I'm waiting for the sound of your boots to shake the dampness off your soul. We be sitting in this quiet, letting the world outside just melt. Rain keeps on falling on my head. Oh, rain falls on me. Rain keeps on falling on my head. It feels like home tonight. Yeah, it feels like home. You left your book on the linen chair, the one about the ancestors and the stars. Our minds always meeting in the middle. No need for words when the sky speaks. Every drop is a prayer for your return to the place where you are understood. Unpacking the weight you carry. Our roots are drinking deep right